Hippocrates, c. 460 c. 370 BCE, is one of the most prominent figures in the history of medicine and philosophy. Known as the father of medicine, he had a profound impact on the formation of medical principles and professional ethics. Born on the island of Kos in Greece, he spent most of his life in Athens. Hippocrates is renowned for his innovations and treatment methods in medicine, and his works are considered foundational for modern medical practice. Education and training. Hippocrates was born into a family of physicians and was influenced by medical teachings from a young age. He benefited from a scholarly and cultural environment, studying the works of great figures like Hippocrates and other earlier physicians. He also drew from his clinical experiences and those of his contemporaries, emphasizing the importance of careful observation of patients and analysis of their symptoms. He believed that the practice of medicine should be based on experience and logical reasoning. Ethical and professional principles. Hippocrates placed great importance on ethical principles in medicine. In his famous work, the Hippocratic Oath, he outlined guidelines for physicians' conduct toward patients and society. These principles, known as the Hippocratic Oath, include commitments to patient confidentiality and the principle of do no harm. He stressed that physicians must respect their patients and utilize their knowledge and experience in treatment. Hippocrates also emphasized the importance of empathy and good communication between doctor and patient, believing that this relationship could enhance the healing process. Innovations in medical science. Hippocrates contributed significantly to the advancement of medical science by introducing innovative diagnostic and treatment methods. He emphasized the importance of observation and analysis of patient symptoms, advocating for the use of scientific and empirical approaches. He was one of the first to attribute diseases to natural causes, relying on science rather than superstition. Additionally, he provided classifications for various diseases and treatments, aiding in the understanding of medical conditions. Impact of lifestyle on health. Hippocrates paid special attention to the influence of environment, nutrition, and lifestyle on individual health. He believed that environmental factors and daily habits could significantly impact human health. He proposed specific indicators for maintaining health and stressed the importance of proper nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being. He also emphasized the connection between physical and mental health, asserting that emotional states could affect physical illnesses. Education and training of physicians. Hippocrates valued the education and training of young physicians. He taught his students that the practice of medicine should be grounded in experience and observation. This approach allowed future generations of physicians to work based on scientific knowledge and principles. As a teacher, Hippocrates contributed to the training of committed and ethical physicians, and this educational legacy continues to this day. Global influence and legacy. Hippocrates' works have served as a medical reference for centuries, and his influence is still seen in medical education and professional ethics worldwide. He is recognized as a key figure in medical history and has played a significant role in shaping modern medicine. Many of his principles and concepts are incorporated into medical texts and taught in academic institutions. Death and commemoration. Hippocrates passed away at around the age of 90. His writings and principles continue to be taught in universities and medical centers, and his impact on medicine and professional ethics is clearly observable. His legacy as the father of medicine remains alive, and his teachings continue to resonate in the education of today's physicians. Hippocrates is remembered not only as a physician, but also as a philosopher and thinker in human history. His emphasis on science, observation, and medical ethics remains relevant in today's world and can guide physicians in providing better care for patients. As a symbol of knowledge and ethics in medicine, Hippocrates is always remembered in the history of medicine, and his teachings inspire physicians and scholars today.